Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete your phone number in Snapchat. It's pretty simple. First you want to click on your Snapchat Bitmoji at the top left corner of your screen, and then you want to click on your setting icon at the top right, and over here you can see this option called mobile number. Click on mobile number, and once you're over here you can see your current number being displayed. Now to delete your number, you can just remove the number. Now once you remove the number, what you can do is just go back. But if you go back, your number is not going to be deleted. Your number is going to be reappearing over here again. And in order to delete your mobile number, you need to replace the number with the new number. So I deleted my older mobile number. Now, what I need to do is enter a new mobile number. And after I enter my new mobile number, I need to click and verify this number. It's going to send a verification code in my number. I need to complete the verification process. After the verification process is complete, and Snapchat knows that this number belongs to me, then the older number will be deleted, and the newer number will be set over here. So this is the only option Snapchat provides you. Because to use Snapchat, you need to have a mobile number, so you cannot just delete your mobile number, you need to replace it with a newer one. That is how you guys can delete your phone number on Snapchat, if you're wondering how to do it. So if you guys found her video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.